Greens one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. I'm gonna be doing chicken fried spam. I didn't for Spamtember. I didn't do any spam dishes last year. To be totally honest with you, not a big fan of spam. I know. You probably know they're going, what? Well, bacon is where it's at. Bacon's the king of meat, and then there's sausage, then ham, then the Canadian bacon or Canadian bacon. Like basically everything is above it. So what I've got here is I've got a can of turkey spam. Yeah, I know, turkey spam. I bought it for some reason. I forgot why I purchased it. I think I was gonna cook something with it, and I just forgot what I was gonna make. So I thought, I'll use it for the spam, because why not? It'll give me a chance to use it up. So right now I'm making home fries. So I'm making breakfast for dinner. So I'm doing chicken fried steak, chicken fried steak, eggs, and home fries. So I already did a video on home fries. So when it gets cooking, I'll bring it back and get everything else cooking. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my spam opened up. Yummy. I'm using supportive cookware again. You know, I don't have cast iron for everything. It'd be nice, but no. Starting to poke clean. So go ahead and drain these. Get them in my skillet. Alright. Well, that's draining. Let's get the spam sliced up. I might be jumping the gun on the spam, but basically I want 4 even pieces. So I'm going to go half. And then I'm just going to cut the whole can up. And if I don't end up eating it all, I can always, I guess I can heat it up tomorrow, like maybe. Pan's heating up. Cast iron skillet. Yeah, the pan wasn't being hot enough. It's alright though. It'll heat up. Well, it's starting to sizzle now. Some garlic. Slap your mama white. Oh, and you gotta have salt. Alright, let that do its thing. So I threw in 1 big mushroom as well. Because I like mushrooms. Looking a little dry in here. There we go. Potatoes are kind of done, so I killed the burner. I'll just keep them on there to keep them hot. These this temperature is climbing rapidly. Well, it's taking its sweet time. And it's almost 3:30. Let me go ahead and just start frying. So let's see if we can get 2 of these. Two of these cooking. Do a double dredge. I was trying to. I might try. Oh, come on. I think I've got enough. flour on this thing. Yeah. You can't really see that as well. Alright. Got the first guy in. Got the second guy in. Oil may not have been hot all the way. Looking alright, I guess. One more turn here. See, now they're floating, so color doesn't look too bad. So I got a plate here with some paper towels. So let's dish these out of here. Trying to get all the grease off by giving it a flip. Alright, get the other two going. I'll cook these two off camera. Wouldn't be breakfast without a couple of eggs, so I'm gonna get my pan going. So alright. I was thinking about last time I did a breakfast video in Harshman Hills, so you liked scrambled eggs, so I thought, yeah, I'll do scrambled. Why not? Got a little something in there. Instead of dirtying a bowl, I just scramble them like this. Got some black pepper. And the last two are done. Fish these out. Interesting, they all came to the surface. Come on, let go. Turn the heat off. Kill the heat. Scramble them right in the pan, so they'll melt the cheese just like that. Get these on a plate. All the Spam. It's one of those days when a cameraman would be nice. Or a camera person. Got a little unsalted butter in here. Just for flavor. There you go. Let's taste it. Alright. And of course, no meal is complete without some Texas Pete. Put some on the potatoes as well. You know what I forgot to do, and I just thought of it? Well, I went to get my hot sauce. I forgot to do gravy. I was going to make some country gravy. But I'm down the burner because the one front big burner, it has no, like, it doesn't regulate. It's like, it has one setting super high, so I don't use it anymore. But I'm actually making a plan right now to buy a new refrigerator and a new oven. It's just going to take a little while. But refrigerator first. Because I want to replace it before it breaks, so. Eggs are good. Ooh. Hot sauce. Potatoes. Oh man. Try that Spam. There she goes. You know what? That's not bad. Oh. That's not bad at all. I think I like that. Well, I'm gonna sit down and eat dinner. Alright, well. Clean plate. So I ate 3 of these. I got one piece left. I'll just heat it up for breakfast tomorrow morning. You know, surprisingly good. I actually enjoyed that. I didn't think I'd like it as much, but it actually tasted pretty damn good. So, anyway, I want to thank Shovelhead8 for continuing keeping these Cast Starting Wednesdays going. I know it started off by Dee from Native Tears, and Sean kind of took it over, but I appreciate the fact that he keeps them running and adding my videos to his playlist, which I will link below, along with his channel's linked below. Last week's video will be at the end, which might be up now. Yeah, so thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.